Let's be real. Getting kids to eat veggies can feel like negotiating with a tiny dictator. Imagine this, one meal that your toddler devours, and you actually enjoy too. The good thing is they can be prepared in just 10 minutes. Now let's get started. The first quick recipe is apple and carrot muffin, sweet, veggie-loaded muffins. Firstly, grate your apple and carrot, mix with oats, egg and cinnamon, bake for 18 minutes. This delightful meal is perfect for breakfast or quick snack and ready in just a few minutes. Your toddler won't be able to resist them. Baby benefits. From this yummy meal, your toddler gets fiber for happy tummies. Mum benefits. Thyroid supporting iodine if you're using sea salt, and you can smear yours with cream cheese. Next is sweet potato pancakes. Simply mash cooked sweet potatoes, mix with a bit of flour and an egg. You can as well add cinnamon, then cook into fluffy golden brown snacks. They're perfect for breakfast or as snack. Baby benefits. Your toddler gets vitamin A for eye health. Mum benefits. Energy-rich carbs plus skin-glowing antioxidants. Of course, you can top yours with Greek yogurt and berries. Recipe number 3 is no-cook rainbow wraps. This meal takes just 3 minutes and looks like a rainbow. Simply spread hummus on a tortilla, add shredded carrots, thinly sliced cucumber and diced avocado. Roll and slice into pinwheels and watch your toddler go nuts. For you, add feta cheese or a drizzle of balsamic glaze and you have your crunchy, fresh and instant energy. Mama, you don't have to choose between your sanity and their nutrition. Which meal are you trying first? Drop a comment below. And if you want more hacks, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay healthy.